Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make potato pom pom. This is one of the tastiest recipe made up of potatoes, and once you're gonna eat it, you're absolutely going to love it. You can eat it at tea time, give it to your children at lunch, or as a snack in your tea time and as a snack to your children. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. For this recipe, I'm gonna take 4 potatoes. I'm gonna peel them off. I'm gonna take 2 chopsticks and then I am going to place them aside. I'm gonna cut the potatoes from each side and then I'm gonna place it in the center of the chopsticks. And then I'm gonna cut it horizontally. With that, I'm going to turn it to vertical way and then I'm going to cut it vertically, and it's going to give a shape of chicks, or you can say square shapes. So this is where we're going to cut it, and then we're going to apply this thing to all our potatoes, all the 4 potatoes, one by one. You can just do the same way like I'm doing it. It would be much easier. So take a sharp knife and do it to the all 4 potatoes. You can take more potatoes if you want to, but try it on less, and if you like it, then apply it on more. Now I'm going to take a bowl and have filled it with cold water. With that, I'm going to add some salt into it and I'm going to give it a mix. Then I'm going to dip the potatoes, which I just cut before, into it for half hour. So I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna cover it with the help of a lid or something, and then I'm gonna set it aside. Now moving towards the next part, I am taking 1.5 cup of gram flour. I've added into a bowl, an empty bowl, and then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. With that, I'm taking 1.5 teaspoon black pepper and 1.5 teaspoon oregano, and salt. You can add it according to your taste. I'm gonna mix it quite well, and then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon chicken powder, and again I'm going to mix it. This is gonna be one of the tastiest masala we have ever made. I've taken the bowl of potatoes which I have dipped before, and then I'm gonna take one by one. Once we're going to take the potato, we are going to squeeze it so that we can get rid of the excessive water into it. Then we are going to place it onto a separate plate, which I have placed aside, and then we're going to take each one by one. While I'm doing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're going to hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So you can see all the potatoes are done. Now we are going to take the potatoes and gonna add the masala mixture we have made into it. You can just take the powder, sprinkle it on, or you can just take the potato and coat it quite well from this powder or the masala mixture we had made. Once you're gonna mix it, then we're gonna move towards the next part. You can see we have to coat it quite well so that the potato is completely coated, and then we're gonna move towards the next potato. Now you can see this potato is completely done. Now we're gonna move towards the next potato. I'm gonna apply the same process on each of the 4 potatoes. So this mixture of powders and masalas is the main ingredient of this recipe, and this is where we're gonna make the taste. We're gonna set it for a rest for 5 minutes, and then we're going to deep fry it. I've taken a frying pan and I have poured a lot of oil into it, and then I'm going to deep fry it. Once it's gonna turn golden brown, then we're gonna take it out, and I've turned the flame on low. So I've flipped the sides and you can see these have turned out to be golden brown, and we're gonna wait for the other side to get golden brown. So I've taken a spoon so that I can pour the oil into it so that it's get fried easily, and then I'm gonna take it out. You can take a strainer so you can get rid of the excessive oil in the potatoes, and I'm taking it out with the help of a spoon, and then we're gonna place it onto a presentable plate. You can see our potatoes are completely done and these are ready to be eaten. and we're gonna eat it with some ketchup or some mayonnaise or sauce, whatever you like, or you can make a sauce or write that at home, whatsoever you prefer to eat. So these are ready to be presented in front of the guests, and you can eat it at tea time as a snack. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section whether you like this recipe or not. And give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your family so that I can bring you more new recipes. If you have any query related to any video, if you want any question to ask me, you can just comment down in the comment section and I would be happy to answer you, and that would be my first preference. And do subscribe to my channel, and if you want to really get updated from my latest videos, then hit the bell icon. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.